Alright, so I wanted to re-record my video because the video that the person online sent me was very good in showing how his speakers worked well, but I actually did the test at 90% volume. He actually kept his around a little bit lower than mine, but that's where he kept it. And we'll play the same songs that he played, and hopefully you guys can hear the difference.
Damn, I hate be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I hate be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this.
The next song he played for me was Lavender Sunflower, so we'll play that at the same volume.
Sexy lady, what would you do if this goes right? If everything goes how we planned it to. Sexy lady, what would you do?
And then one last song.